3 demain. Aujourd'hui, c'est le numéro 2. Demain, c'est le numéro 3. Ok?
Today it was my best day for now.
Sarah, come up. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. My JA in France. It's cold outside, but it's warm inside. I finally turned on my heater today because I was freezing. My fingertips were cold. I'm like, girl, I need the heater. Say hello, fam bam.
Wagwan people.
Sarah, say hello. Tyler,
Wagwan.
it's time for the So why that delay? So why that delay response? Why that delay response? What happened?
People to
Because
waiting
first
for
I
who to
wanted
say.
Number 3 tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow morning we do number 3, okay?
Okay.
But Mama can give you another chocolate before bed, okay? You want chocolate before you go to bed?
Yeah.
Okay, you too?
Yes.
Say, Mama, see your mouth. How's your mouth today? Ah.
Mama, my mouth is
You know, his white part is
No,
My
have to
mouth
be like
is
the one on this side. See the one on this
Mama,
side?
my mouth
You get
is
raspberry.
good.
Yeah, yours. Last year your mouth was the exact same. I don't know where this dry up thing coming from.
Maybe it's because I'm cold.
Yeah, you need I know what I need to find for you. I'm gonna find one and that one. Please.
I'm gonna discover what is the answer
Can
again.
she eat raspberries?
Well, give her one that won't hurt her.
Ah! It hurts. Don't touch it. Yeah, you know the raspberry had throw in the bag.
Is there some?
What do we have here?
Okay, Ty, don't touch it, please. Let's do the supermarket.
We have a salt, regular
So I
salt.
went to supermarket and Babe came to pick me up and then we all went to school to pick up the kids. Just in the nick of time. So they're all discovering
Eggs.
what I
Eggs.
bought.
Eggs. Where eggs?
Rice.
Tell her where eggs come from.
Chicken.
Where the chicken come from?
Chicken come from other chickens.
Chicken come from egg.
Please.
Yes.
So where the egg come from?
Chicken.
So where the chicken come from?
Egg.
So who was there first, the egg or the chicken?
The chicken.
So how the chicken came first if there were no eggs before? How
And
did
chicken
it
come from egg.
We have orange juice.
And
Okay,
Sugar.
finish,
What
okay?
type of sugar that she's
Yeah.
planning to do some things with this type of sugar?
I'm gearing up my baking ingredients.
I'm hungry.
Oh, the last time she got
I'm gonna have some more.
the last time she got the wine,
Of what?
so she get the sugar now. So maybe she got some more wine. Let's discover what she get.
Hello, please don't let me see.
Oh, farine, gâteau,
What do you
flour
want?
for cake. So she definitely planned some things. Definitely. Oh, we have apple juice for the kids. I like apple juice. I guess
What you
the
want?
regular one wasn't there.
Speak fast. Not something from here, something from here.
We say that we
Hurry
can
up.
discover and know
You have
people
cookie?
Yeah.
by the inside of the
Let me
supermarket
see.
cart. So
Okay, so I
You have
Yes.
popcorn? Okay.
I guess you can discover that somebody that have kids, somebody that love to cake, vanish.
You know how I don't get any question about this?
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Cause
Just it's a different type of
I just
juice.
told them that probably the regular one wasn't there.
Exactly, you have sense.
Watch the vlog and you have the answer. We have mac and cheese.
I was busy giving trouble. Look at my kids.
Ah,
Hey! It's supermarket haul time.
Vanilla and
No more snack
canel.
until after supermarket
So
haul.
definitely the baking.
After,
The
okay?
baking bag.
Tyler, do the supermarket haul fast and then you get snack. Be careful.
Another flour. 2 flour. Big cake. How many cake? Oh,
Paper towel.
we have apple.
Sarah, what's
Rice.
green beans.
Oh, we have some tangerine. Tangerine here.
Bucket.
And ketchup. What is that?
Tyler is in the snack bag.
You like ketchup?
What is this?
Oreo is the new type of Oreo that you don't really see a lot in the supermarket. Sarah loves
What is
it.
that?
I do like
You
vanilla Oreo.
Yeah, no, you prefer the chocolate one.
And
But whenever I buy the
broccoli.
chocolate Oreo for you, you really eat them. So that's why I don't buy none.
Rum.
Rum for the cake. You see I'm gearing up ingredients and I don't have no browning. It's been almost 1 month I ordered my things from the girl in Belgium from the 5th of November. And today is the 2nd of November. And I have
2nd of December.
the 2nd of December and my package haven't shipped as yet. I am so pissed. But lesson learned. I know what I'm going to do next time. 1 month. So I have enough time to get my things. And I'll know.
Corn
it don't
for
ship.
my-
Coca-Cola. You only see the mini, you don't see the regular
Yeah,
one.
the regular one is not there. I buy
We have
mushroom.
tomatoes.
I buy the frozen mushroom because I realized when I was leaving that don't do that. I realized when I was leaving that I didn't pick up the fresh mushroom and I saw this one, so I just picked it up.
That's fine.
Yeah. Sarah, what's this? Sarah, what's that? And what's this? No, it's cauliflower.
We have thyme. She made thyme.
Yes, because
Funny enough, you never really
Donuts.
get thyme from outside.
Outside.
People here, they just
In
get
France,
thyme.
there's a lot of time outside when you just walking when we go hiking in the mountains, a lot of time just laying around.
Oh,
People pee on them. I don't want it. Sorry. But
Oh, what
people
you
can
think they do?
pee on
They
this
pee on this
too.
too?
But no, it's grown in a farm, a thyme farm, so I don't think people pee on those. Don't try to convince me that people pee on those. No, they didn't.
We have desktop. Magic desktop.
When the sink clog, I just throw that down and ta-da! Come here.
Oh guys, I told you something earlier. I was right.
About
Here,
what?
She
Onion
pop
and
up some
garlic.
more wine. So we have like
Only mom.
2 other like this from last week. So we have a 3rd one. Shabu make
Oh, I nice.
enough cake.
Yes, this year I plan on baking twice.
Yeah, enough cake. We have apple juice.
Worse if I don't get to do my Christmas
I do
dinner
like
this year.
rum cake.
Of course you do.
No.
Yes,
It's
you
okay,
do.
Tyler. You don't like
But
it.
don't
Don't
worry,
eat.
don't worry.
Somebody
Me and Papa will
somebody else
definitely
will-
enjoy it
we
with a
have
cup
it.
of
I
hot
want
chocolate.
a cake me too, but I don't want rum cake.
So what kind of cake you want?
Chocolate cake.
So you want me to make a chocolate cake for
No,
you?
you make it by yourself.
Okay, I'll make a chocolate cake for you.
Alright, something else in this bag. Look, she find the cham-cham.
She played jump with the broccoli. What's this, Sarah? Sarah, what's this? What is this?
Sarah, c'est quoi ça?
It's a what? It's a hen. It's poisson. It's fish.
Salmon.
job.
What is that?
Good
Yes.
job. And what is this? Did I not turn on the oven?
Yes, you did.
Or did I not press?
Didn't press
I didn't press start.
So it's like you didn't tell me.
Samosa. And then the big guns, the big. When you see Mel buy a big butter like this, you know big things about to happen. Somebody
That's
gonna
just
get.
showing you.
Who?
That's just showing you how.
What? Oh, did
How can I say? How healthy is the cake?
There's no caramel, so I got you that one and the other fruit one that you eat sometime with your sister.
Yeah, but
Okay.
for me,
More yogurt.
More yogurt. I didn't get any normal yogurt for Papa because he have in the fridge. Oh, the other one finished. It's only the other taste bad one remains. So I have to get this one.
Alright, cool. That's
so
fine.
get one.
And we have yogurt.
Yogurt for the princess. Alright, Papa with the half a hand gonna do that. Because there's 3 chicken in the fridge. So that's why I only take 1 breast. Because I hear you asking for quiz this week.
Oh, yeah, but I prefer this time.
You see? I know. Rock, paper, scissors time. Let's go. What do you want?
Today.
You get juice after. Ready?
Every Friday I should become every time I'm in bus, I do rock, paper, scissors.
Come on, Papa, let's go. Ready? Ready? Come on. Where are you there? Come here. Tyler, go back where you were. Okay, come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come on, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! 2 Papa. Sarah, no screaming. Don't do that. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Papa, really? Come win? Come to
Mama, don't say stop screaming because before it was her that said stop screaming.
Stop screaming. Stop doing your hands.
High five,
like that.
high five.
Stop doing your hands like that.
High five to the winner. Yeah!
Come, Mama and Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Tyler. So let's stop it very fast. Take time, calm down. 2 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You beat me.
Mama,
Oh my gosh.
Mama, I think it's you that's going to win like that 1-1-1.
Come, I need to beat Papa because I don't win any. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Mama, 1 Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2, 1, 3.
No,
2 win, 1 win, 0. High five to the winner! High five to the winner!
I
Yeah!
went to the second. Papa first.
Low
me
five to the
second.
loser!
Papa first, me second, you're third.
Alright, you know what you're gonna do for tonight? You're gonna cook. That's your mission.
You done never eat. Right. Yes. Right. Why you more drunk?
Alright, it's time to go get something to eat, right?
No, it's time for me to... No, leave the room.
It's time for me doing
You see
popcorn.
what Sarah wants? The room.
It's time for me
Anyway,
doing
you guys, I'm gonna
popcorn.
pack out these things and look
Sarah,
food for
come,
my
let's
family.
do
So,
popcorn.
see you guys later. And that's where we're ending the vlog for tonight. We just ate and we all just relaxed and went to bed for the rest of the night. So we didn't really do anything much to show you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy the supermarket haul, which I know you guys always do. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, because everyone keep up with the fam bam. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys of course tomorrow.